go ahead and talk about stall parking. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. So we're gonna go ahead and do some stall parking maneuvers, inside view. So I'm looking in between the lines. So I wanna turn in hand over hand, go in smoothly. I'm in between the lines. Let's go ahead and take a peek. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and reverse now. I'm looking, I have my backup camera to aid me, but I'm looking over my shoulder. I check, and then I'm turning hand over hand to the left, always looking around. You see me looking around, and then I turn back, hand over hand out. I'm gonna go ahead, make a parking maneuver in this second to the last spot. I'm turning hand over hand into the turn, and then I turn out hand over hand. I pull up, I'm checking. Let's take a peek. Yes, I'm in. Teachable moment. Now I'm gonna go ahead and reverse. I'm looking over my shoulder. I do have the backup camera to help me. You can see me looking in the camera, and then I turn hand over hand to the left. The rear of the car goes out, and the front swings out to the right. I'm on the correct side. Then I'm going up. Then I turn, blinkers on, and I'm gonna go ahead and do these nice stall maneuvers for you. And then I turn back hand over hand. Nice maneuver. Let's check. Teachable moment. I'm in the lines. You wanna have your car properly centered. So I'm gonna reverse. I'm looking over my shoulder. You see the backup camera, I'm in the lines. And then I turn hand over hand to the left. If I turn hand over hand to the left, the rear goes to the left, the front swings out to the right. I'm checking to make sure my car clears, and then I turn back. Let's do another parking maneuver. Last spot. And I'm turning slowly in between the lines. I check, I turn out. Let's see if I'm in. I'm in again. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and reverse. Looking over my shoulder, you see the backup camera, I'm checking. Foot on the brake, I'm at about 3 miles an hour, and then I turn back. That's a pretty good maneuver. Taking my time, the arrow is going this way. So I'm looking, and then I turn hand over hand in, and then I turn hand over hand out. Here in North America, a lot of instructors teach hand over hand. In parts of Europe and Australia, they do hand to hand. So I'm gonna turn hand over hand. Yes, we know there's an airbag in the middle. There's a lot of controversy about that, more on that later. And then I park, and I put it in. Now, I look over, I check. If this brought you value, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.